Yeah, just look at it. Clean. All my paint and body stuff for Danny's truck sitting here, and a few miscellaneous extras. Miscellaneous pile of engine parts. But look at it. Look at the real estate we have. This is just fantastic. Now, don't look at the bench. The bench is... Well, the bench is the bench. That's my little project for the week here, to pick away and put away the tools and the whatnot. But we've had a lot of work happen to this truck, and we've had a lot of work happen to the garage. It's been an excellent long weekend. Thanks to Danny and Jonah. They came out and gave me a hand with the heavier stuff and moving and organizing things. It's kick-ass. But here we are, as promised. The truck box is in primer sealer. I've started some of the body work. The top half is just about completed. The bottom half here, I've got a little bit of magooey happening. This is the level it's supposed to be. When I welded it, it warped out. Yeah, I got some creativity to do there. But the tail lights are all fitting nice now on both sides. And all the little cracks in the box are welded up. This side has been mudded and some light sanding done, but it is boy, it's coming along. The cab is sitting in the same shape it was last video. The bottoms of the doors still need to be done, and I got to do a little dressing on the rocker panels. But that's the deal. Like get in the garage. Look, I can move around in my garage. I can run and not hit anything. It's great. Feels good. The floor has been raked. My dirt floor. Anyway, my dirt floor has been raked up and fairly clean now. Got a spot for the tailgate to sit while I scuff sand it up and mask everything off. We're good. I mean, bench wise, like I said, it's a little magooey. I've got transmission parts, tools, more transmission parts, more tools, transmission parts, and miscellaneous, and more tools and more tools. Yes, there's a lot on the go here, and it is getting done little by little, very happily. Not too much for this video to report, aside from the super clean garage, which some of you did request. I'm not gonna lie, some of you requested, so here we are. Garage is cleaned up, basically organized, and I got some sweeping to do underneath the truck. I'm going to save that till after the bulk of the body work is done and we're getting ready for primer. I'll do a spruce up, that way I'm not blowing any dirt up from the ground. And when I spray, it's going to be just wetting this down with like a shower attachment on my garden hose. And that worked really well when I painted Aiden's Chevy. Almost literally no dirt in the whole paint job. Biggest thing I got to watch out for with painting is I'm gonna have to put like a filter on the side of the little furnace there, because I had the furnace going to warm things up in here and she peppered a bunch. I don't know if you can even catch it in the light, but it peppered a bunch of little bits of dirt, and I was kind of thinking it was going to do that. It did. But what it also did, the primer sealer went on really smooth, and you can't see any of the swirl marks. Like, if I look really, really, really hard, I really can't see any of the swirl marks. So by the time I bury the box, the cab, and front clip in the gray primer surfacer, or well, it's gray primer. I don't know if it's a surfacer or whatever. It's the prep before you put the paint on. Anyway, by the time I lay that on, I'm not worried about swirl marks on this body at all, because they have been consistently done with the same sander at the same speeds. So we have consistent texture. I'll do the same with, well, the tailgate actually is, this guy's just getting scuffed up. A little bit of surface rust to get rid of, and I'll treat that with the rust converter. I got to peel these chrome pieces off, this one, and this one. We're going to take this off. Danny's going to put it back on as protection for the tailgate. And this guy's staying. Brighten him up a little bit. It's too bad about... Oh yeah, the M is cleaning up. So that won't be so bad. Yeah. It's a good straight tailgate. And we also have the final piece to finish off the truck box. The last, very last little bit of welding. Right here. This guy. Missing. And we got it. He had to pull it off of a semi-decent truck box, which I feel bad about because it was probably in maybe a little bit better shape than this truck box, maybe. I didn't see it, but he said he pulled it off a good truck box because it was already screwed on his old truck box. So I'm going to clean that up, rust treat it, weld it in place, and protect it with something, and then give it a good splash of paint. I should make that new pivot for the tailgate last a long time. But I mean, that's where we're at, guys. This is looking like just take a good look. Look at the beautiful amount of room we have in here now. Feels fantastic. Some guys would consider this garage a 2-car garage. I consider it a 1-project garage. That's all. One at a time. No need to bring in 2 vehicles. Maybe a vehicle and a motorcycle, but no need to bring in 2 vehicles and make it too bunched up, because then you're fighting for space, and I hate fighting for space, even though I'm the one that clutters it all up. But without further ado, I'm going to get this video out to you guys. It's already Monday, and today's my release date for my videos, so anyway, we're going to get this guy edited up, sent out to the YouTube webs, and you guys have a great day. We'll see you on the next one.